False information of various kinds is popularly known as fake news, but I and other researchers would argue that it's actually quite an unhelpful term, as it bundles together several different types of content and behaviour that have different aims, tactics and impacts, and may therefore require different countermeasures. Firstly, there is disinformation, and this is the dissemination of deliberately false information with the intention of influencing the policies and the opinions of those who receive it. Disinformation is sometimes referred to as information warfare or influence operations. Misinformation is wrong or misleading information that is not always strictly intended to mislead. It may be uncoordinated or spread organically, and it's more likely to be shared in good faith or out of fear. It is the massively distributed social media era version of gossip or rumour. And there are related concepts of propaganda, whether that's produced and distributed by another state or our own, and low-quality junk news content that also may merit consideration as fake news. There's the phenomenon of clickbait, salacious online content that encourages users to follow often dubious web links, and it relies on our appetites for junk news and gossip. And of course, for one former president of the US, fake news has become shorthand for representations in the mainstream media that are simply unfavourable